Just working with young Eddie this morning and doing a lane change, a bit of a trap for young players. Currently doing a right turn onto multi-lane roads. We're sitting here stopping behind the line because there's a stop sign, and then he's going to roll forward so we can actually see past the shop. So we're moving out of the bike lane, which is actually completely legal, checking for the gap. Here's his final look, and around we go. Now he's going to look back to the left again. He's going to make the decision now whether we're going to stop or continue going. We're going to go. Just giving Eddie a bit of encouragement to pick the speed up. He's a little bit slow getting the car going. And now we're going to do a lane change to the left, because I always encourage my students to drive in the left-hand lane. So now we're going mirror, mirror, indicate. You'll see his eyes, mirror, indicate. There's a car beside us. Now you can see just off my shoulder, there's another car coming through, and you can see Eddie's watching that car in the center mirror. Now, as that car goes through, we've got to be aware of the ute on the left that's about to pull out. Now, that ute will be completely unaware that we're about to do the lane change. And you watch, and out he'll come. See, he's starting to move. We're holding the lane change. The ute's in the center mirror now, so Eddie's going to come across nice and happily. So just remember, if you're using the side mirror, you won't see the hazards ahead. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to see more driving tips from RADSKILLS.